1987 Chevy Monte Carlo SS with T-tops. Arguably the most popular is G-body. She's on the stock N90s. Paint has minor blemishes and imperfections, but she's in overall good shape. She has the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. I know the Monte Carlo SS was discontinued the 71 model year, and it was brought back in 83, specifically for NASCAR in this front aerodynamic nose right here. They skyrocketed in sales. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. And she is wired for sound. Just gotta get you a speaker. She has power windows, power locks. Bucket seats, console. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Headliner. Mileage reads a little over 63,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, AC, power steering. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Y'all have a good one.